In humanitarian emergencies such as natural disasters, flooding, cyclones, earthquakes, and in conflict situations where people are forced to leave their homes, then in a camp situation, one of the major challenges that we have is quickly having a safe excreta mechanism, toilets in another word. So at the moment what we have is we have a plastic slab and we have plastic sheeting superstructures, and that works fairly well, but is not very durable, and it takes a bit of time for the local purchase of the materials to kick in to enable us to do the superstructure. The other challenge we have, just doing normal pit latrines, is in many situations the soil is very unstable and we have to do some sort of lining of the latrine, of the pit, before we can actually put the slab on and put the superstructure on, otherwise it will cave in. Other difficulties we face are in high water table areas where you can't dig a pit, or areas that are kind of prone to flooding. So if you did a normal latrine, it would be flooded. Or in rocky areas where you can't dig down, and we have that situation right now in a number of areas in Ethiopia and South Sudan. And in urban areas where ground surface might be concrete, so you can't dig in, and you might have big space problems like we had in Haiti, about you can do the toilets, but there's no way you can get a mechanism in to desludge, to actually take out all the contents of the toilet frequently. So then you have to look at other options. Now, some of the other options are when you can't dig a normal pit, to do raised latrines. So normally we do that with using local wood or corrugated iron, local materials, which if you're trying to do it rapidly in the first few days after people have been displaced to a new camp, then that is a challenge. That's very difficult. Other ideas around, or other options that we use in these difficult environments when we can't dig pits, are urine diversion toilets, eco-sand toilets, sometimes septic tanks, no toilet options such as biodegradable bags, or bucket latrines have been used, but they all involve quite a lot of management around emptying the contents of the bags or the buckets in a safe way. So the purpose of this design a toilet day is to look at ways for this emergency, rapid onset situations where we need kits that can quickly provide safe sanitation for people. We want to know, how can we do it better? What are the different ideas that we haven't already thought about to do fast, rapid, effective sanitation?